Well, I'm really not used to doing part 2 in the same session I started part 1 in, but I've made some good progress, and I'm getting close to my target. I'm 84 thousandths away. I believe my depth is all right. My hole opening is looking good, and I got some beautiful chips. How can I bring that out a little bit? A little background maybe. Well, it's a beautiful blue. Yeah. I guess I'm just really easily impressed. It's new to me. I'm breaking new ground here. So try to imagine, what that was like for you when you were a newbie. I know you all started where I am at some point. Well, let me show you what I've got going on here. Currently I have 0 dialed in. Okay, let's get this again going the right direction. There we go. So we currently have 0. I have, let me turn my notes over. I have 84 thousandths to go. So I'm going to be taking 10 thousandths chops out of this. And 9, 10. Okay. Let me get you over here. And I'm still using my DRO down over here on the bedways. This will be a 10 thousandths cut, going 530 deep. And go about 500 RPMs, just under. I'm learning to trust the numbers on my digital counter. So I'm going to do another, I'm going to do 8 because I think I'm already, okay. Okay, that's 530 thousandths, and get you down here where you can see inside of there maybe. Where's my bore light at? So that's where I am at, and to get this thing that's where I'm at then, and it is almost 7:20 in the morning. What happened yesterday? So I kind of tinkered around in here yesterday, and I went and picked up some dinners and met my wife where she's cat sitting at, about an hour's drive away. And let's just say I left there around 11 or 12 o'clock, and I got within a half hour of the house and stopped at a Speedway convenience store and slept for about 2.5 hours. I was just a little fatigued and didn't think I should be driving. And I came home, took care of my animals, came out here. So in essence, I got up around 3 in the morning, and now it's 4 hours later. But I only got up from, God, am I going on a rant again? No, it's not really a rant. How would they describe that? I'm going off on a tangent. Yes, indeed. Apparently that's my thing. I guess this is going to be the end of part 1, or maybe this is the beginning of part 2. I have no idea. Let's see how much. This whole editing thing is kind of new to me. Okay. It's not a very interesting video, is it? I'm working on it. Okay. Okay. With my limited amount of materials stock to use, I came up with this much of a die holder. Now what I'm thinking now is to drill a couple 1/8 inch holes in the side and have a wrench with those 2 dimples on it to spin the die. So we got 2 1/4 set screws. We have a through hole. Now I need to do some 1/4 inch holes, and then I'll have to, now I have to make a wrench to